Man, Gator Pet 18V vacuum. Man, a bit before. Man. Got the filter there. Oh my god. Okay. Come on. Oh, I'm trying to get my shoe wet. Thanks for making my videos really good. Vacuum 2 years ago, but now you have to go. Oh, what? I'll turn back on. That's what... have this filter here. Filter, so bad. Oh. Oh, got the hammer got dirt on it. The power button's coming out. What? Come on, turn it on. Come on, Gator Pet. Don't get me all dirty. I guess I have to switch out to the hatchet. Come on. Open up. Come on. No, it's dead. Oh, that's no fun. Vax. Stupid filter. You have to empty it every 3 minutes. So stupid filter. One. Well, I was hoping I'd do something cool like a motor burnout, but I guess not. Please tell me it's fucking recording. Shoot, it is. Stupid Vax! Oh my god. This thing's like indestructible. We're here to help. You gotta help me try to get this working. What? Trying to go over to the camera. Part of the circuit board. Here's a model VX35, 18-volt DC, made in China. No wonder it barely worked. It's made in China. No wonder it barely worked. You're cheap, stupid gator pet. Kind of a pet expert. You're not pathetic. Want to get to the deluxe insides. Let's see how good it is. It's filthy over here. Fucking hell. Let's move to over there. Vax! I'm gonna give up on that. Let's just go over here and do the rest. Sorry about that, guys. I was expecting it to do more, like do a cool motor burnout or something, but it died. That's a bit. What about that? Will this be compatible with it? Okay, thank God that didn't fling towards the phone. Come on, let me into the secret thing. Come on, let me into the jail. Come on. Don't be stubborn. What the hell else is in here? It's like, wow, that motor looks so tiny. What? Vax. Gotta get that model number. What about your turbo head? Take the turbo head. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh, shit, guys. Okay, thank God I didn't. Take the turbo head. What? There's a motor in the turbo head too. Oh wow. That'll be fun to burn out. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe. If you guys want me to. I have batteries in here, so I'm not going to do too much more smashing on this. Let's see what's under there real quick. Come on. Come on, Vax. Not good enough. Just let me into the jail. Come on. Let me in. Let me in. I'm banging on the door. Someone open it. Let me into the jail. Wait, I better be recording this. Let me in the jail. Come on, Vax. Let me into the jail, or I'm trying to assault me. You think that's right? I will not do that. I want to see the motor. Oh my God. Okay, I'm getting the axe. My hoodie. Oh my gosh. Just let me into the jail. Oh. Gives me my rippy. Gas. What is that at? Wow, come on, just let me see the motor. And I might do a burnout if it's still alive or something. Trying to fling towards your face. Come on. Jeez, man, it's tough. Or I'm just weak. Stupid thing. Shorted out and didn't work. Well, I can see the motor from here. Yeah, I think. Okay, yeah, I think we're gonna stop it there. There's a bunch of batteries. There's the motor. Look at it. It's so small. No wonder it could hardly function properly. That's going to be the end of this video, guys. And that's the end of the vacuum that I made videos on 2 years ago when it was just donated and given to me. Was going to use it, but yet again, it was just so weak and powerful. I tested it. today is just so weak. So yeah, bye. Bye.